sa live kung ganyan. Para makita lahat, pati yung gilid. Ano po?
Bayad ni Kuya Julian, entrance.
Okay, first fight.
Okay lang, no? Okay lang. Akala ko.
Okay, semifinals of the open category, season 10.
Kailangan ko lang palitan. Dagat siya. Sige pa.
Good luck, good luck.
Ayaw mo lang yun sa bahay.
No, ganun.
Ito pala nang nalagyan. Nang? Nang semifinals. Pwede mo naman i-edit dyan eh. Ako na lang.
August 19 pa nila magdali.
Wicket! Wicket!
Okay, good luck, good luck. I miss Gasimba.
My ex, sabi ko yung 59.
Double between Jaden and Kit. First possession goes to Comet. Here comes Mizi. Pass to Bad. Pass to Calvin. Back to Bad. Back to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot. Calvin. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Kenny. Pass to Wang. Wang pass to Marcos. Back to Kenny. Kenny. Back to Marcos. Pass to Liang. Liang. Kick to Wang. Wang for three. Too strong. Rebound by Marcos. Pass to Kenny. Kenny for three. Too strong. Rebound by Jaden. Jaden pass to his captain, Mizi. Mizi. Kick to Calvin. Back to Mizi. Mizi setting a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Mizi. Kick to Bad. Bad for three. Short. Rebound by Calvin. Calvin. Kick to Mizi. Mizi for three. Too strong. Rebound by up. Last touch by Hadi. Defender's ball. Next game, MKE versus Jokic Carter. Semifinals of the open category. Wang. Wang guarded by Kelvin. Oh, hey! It's a turnover. Committed by Mr. Wang.
Sumulagyan ng mahaba dyan para hindi ko. Ha?
Hadi. Giovanni Perez, Melvin Loriano, shoutout sa inyo. Magandang gabi ba, boss? Hop. Kick ball. Jaden, bounding the ball, pass to Hadi, pass to Bad, pass to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot. Mizi. 5. Using the board. Good for two by Mizi. Kenny. Kenny. Pass to Marcos. Marcos. Pass to Kit. Baseline J. Short rebound by Bad. Pass to Mizi. Pass to Calvin. Guarded by Kenny. Kelvin. Pass to Bad. Pass to Jaden. Intercept by Wang.
12 seconds shot lang.
Shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. Kaibigan Joel Aquino, shoutout sa'yo. Magandang gabi. Still by Marcus. Pass to Kid. 2-on-1 pass break. Kenny, pass to Kid. Kid, good for two by Wicked. Jaden, pass to Hadi. Hadi. Pass to Jaden. Jaden, pass to Kelvin. Baseline J, elbow J. No good. Rebound by Marcus. Asi, shout out sa'yo, Asi. Agahan nyo sa court para maka-warm up pa kayo. Pass to Kid. Pass to Kenny again. Pass to Wang. Wang, jumper. Basket. Good for two by Wang.
Sige.
Mizi. Mizi. Kick to Bad. Back to Mizi. 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 Left layup. Boy, there's a foul. Committed by number 27, Mr. Marcos. Shooting foul. Stop rep. Young out. Jack in. Jeff Villanueva. Shout out sa'yo, Jeff. Madam Janice, John Paul Cayetano, shout out sa inyo. 2 free throws by Mr. Mizi. First throw, too strong. Second throw. Sabrep.
Insert.
Marcos out, Uncle in. Jason Bautista, shout out to Jason Bautista. Kenny. Kenny setting a play. Kick to Kwang. Kwang pass to Kid. Baseline J. Too strong. Rebound by Jaden. Orlando Ligad. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Shout out sa'yo. Hadi. Good for two by Hadi.
3 minutes 50.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 47 seconds in the first quarter. Gideon, still by Jaden. Jaden in a hurry. Jaden, pass to Calvin. Calvin for three. Too strong, rebound by Huang. Pass to Kenny. 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 Foul. Foul rep. Foul number 13. Bad. Shooting foul. Bad first personal foul, first team foul of the Comets. Sub rep. Sub. Bad out. Hadi out. Andrin and Terry in. Shout out sa'yo. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Orlando Lingad. Jeff Villanueva. Kier Fernandez. Wesley Tum, Mamaw, Dan Hitam, shout out to all of you. And good evening. Shout out to the managers of the Wasalak Farm, Mr. Miss Saiti, Mr. Eser. Shout out to all of you. Banyel Alvin, shout out sa'yo. Giovanni Perez, shout out din sa'yo. Andrin, pass to Terry. Uy, pass to Jaden. Back to Mizi. Mizi for three. Too strong. Rebound by Kenny. Kenny. Pass to Wang. Pass to Marcos. Uncle. Pass to Wang. Back to Marcos. Jo Marimalong Orpus. Shout out sa'yo. Jo Marimalong Orpus. Wang for three. No good. Rebound by Jaden. Pass to Calvin. Calvin. Lab is good. Good for two by Mr. Calvin. Okay, Mr. Darrell, yup. Gideon. Pass to Wang, looking for a post. Spin. Bump. Wang using his muscle. There's a whistle. Basket counted. Hit to the head. Foul number 15. Jaden. Sub.
15, Jaden.
Kenny and Kid out. Yeah. Correct.
Second.
Okay. Jaden, first personal foul. Second team foul. Team Comets. Bonus free throw by Mr. Kwang.
Mark all 7, di ba?
First free throw. Bonus free throw, no good. Rebound by Terry. Pass to Mizi. Mizi, pass to Andrin. Back to Mizi. Mizi, pass to Calvin. Calvin, fake. Calvin, pass to Terry. Wait, it's a turnover committed by Mr. Terry Wong. Time remaining 1 minute 42 seconds in the first quarter. Mike, pass to Wang, pass to Gideon, back to Jen. Traveling without passport. Jaden, pass to Missy.
1 minute 10.
Pass, baseline Jay Andrin. Pass to Terry, back to Kelvin. Kelvin for three. Kelvin, 3 points.
1 minute.
Many times, last 1 minute. In the first period. Joey Jabonite, Dexter Sunga. Shout out sa inyo mga boss. How, jumper, whoop. Too strong.
52 seconds.
Ayos ka pa yan.
Score 10-7. 3-point lead by Comets. It's a tight ball game. Between the two teams, Andrin kick to Terry. Back to Jaden, too strong. Can't handle the ball.
8 seconds.
Mike. Pass to Gideon, pass to Jen. Pass to Wang. Wang. Pass to Gideon. Steal by Terry. 24 seconds. Mizi. Pass to Terry. Pass to Andrin. Kick to Jaden. Jaden for three. Too strong. 10 seconds remaining time. 5. End of the first quarter. Our score 10-7. Tie ball game. 3-point lead by Team Comets. Val Revilla at Marilyn Medina. Shout out po sa inyo. Shout out talaga doon sa nag-iisang manager ng Wasa Lakbam. Dalawa pala. Tatlo pala. Next game. Semifinals pa rin. MKE versus Jokic Car Care. Pinoy sa Pinoy ang magkalaban.
Yeah, ano yan, Mike?
Nakapili na rin si Jay. Nakapili na rin si Jay.
Yeah.
Sino ba ito?
Josel Pangaliban. Shout out sa'yo. Mike. Pass to Liang. Liang. Jumper. Good for two by Liang. Rizaldi De La Rosa. Shout out sa inyo po. G. Uy. Shout out sa inyo rin. Jaden. Kick to Andrin. Andrin. Harassed by Mike. Andrin.
And to shoot.
Kick to Isaiah. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jaden. Jaden for three. No good rebound by Marcos. Marcos. Pass to Jen now. Pass to Darren. Back to Marcos. Pass to Mike. Way.
And to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Liang, baseline check again. Same spot. Same result. Good for two by Liang. Change favor. 11-10. 1 point lead by defenders. Willie John Ramada, shoutout sa'yo. Nihintay ko na yung sponsor mo. Kelvin, pass to Andrin. Andrin for three. Short. Rebound by Jen now. Pass to Marcos. Pass to Darren. Pass to How. How. Too strong. Rebound by Isaiah. Isaiah guarded by Mike. Isaiah. Isaiah. Pass to Andrin. Uy, it's a turnover committed by Andrin. Robin Lowe, Gab Santos, shout out to all of you. Darren, pass to Marcos. Marcos setting the tone. Marcos, pass to Mike. Back to Marcos. Pass to Darren. Darren driving baseline, using the board. Good for two by Mr. Darren Yap. Hachi. Tambay Darren. Time out, Team Gomez. Shout out to you. Kuya Tor, Randy Nilion, Torion. Waiting sa finals, oh. Grabe yun, oh.
Ginawa ko 60. Sa second half, i-stop ko na lang kung may violation. Then, stop ko na lang kapag may violation. Second half.
Mamaya usapin ko.
And 13.
Doya. Sino tumira?
Rebound by Marcos. Pass to Darren. J. Andrew Marcelino. Shout out to you. Ray Dominay. Shout out to you. 1 for 3. 1 3-point. Shout out to you, Parin Doles. How are you, my friend? Hachi. Hachi. Pass to Calvin. Calvin looking for a pick. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Andrin. Pass to Jaden. Kick to Isaiah. Isaiah baseline J. No good. Rebound by Mike. Mike. Pass to Marcos. Pass to Wang. Wang. Pass to Darren. Back to Marcos. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mike. Mike, favorite spot. No good. Rebound by Wang. There's a whistle committed by number 24, Wang. Sub, rep, sub. Sub, Hachi out. Then, Andrin out. Kelvin out.
Wow. 3 points daw. Oh,
Yes, 3 points. 16-10, yeah, correct. 16-10. Bad. Pass to Isaiah. Pass to Mizi. Mizi driving still by Guang. Pass to Kid. Kid super left. Good for two by Kid.
18-10.
Hadi guarded by Marcos. Hadi pass to Mizi. Mizi for three. No good. Rebound by Darren. Darren pass to Marcos. Pass to Wang. Pass to Kid. Foul. Committed by number 13. Bad shooting foul. Bad second personal foul. First team foul. Team comment. Sub rep sub. Young out. Check in. Jalen out. Terry in. Bonus free, 2 free throws by Wicked. First free throw is good. Second throw. Two for two by Mr. Wicked. Score 20-10. 10-point lead by defenders. Many time, last 5 minutes in the first half. Hadi, pass to Bad. Back to Hadi. Hadi driving. Hadi, foul! Committed by number 0, Mr. Kenny. 2 free throws. Shooting 2 by Mr. Hadi. Kenny, first personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw by Hadi is good. Second throw. Madam Lea Soriano, shout out sa'yo, Madam. Magandang gabi. 2 for 2 by Mr. Hadi. Wang. Pass to Kenny. Kenny, back to Wang. Wang looking for a pick. Pass to Marcos. Marcos for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Mizi. Mizi, the captain. Driving. Using the board. Good for 2 by Mr. Mizi. What a shot. Kid. Back to Kenny. Kenny up. Traveling violation. I saw it. Mizi. Kick to Isaiah. Pass to Bad. Kick to Hadi. Hadi driving. Side stepping up. Traveling inside extra step. Sub. Marcos out. Uncle Gideon in. Kenny. Pass to Gideon. Back to Kenny. Back to Wang. Kasi masyadong naagum eh. Nahirapan din ako eh. Hindi ako nahirapan eh. Still up. Mizi. Vincent Paragas. Shout out sa'yo, Vincent Paragas. Pass to Isaiah. Pass to Bad. Bad for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Kenny. Kenny, pass to Gideon, back to Kenny again. Kenny, sending a play, pass to Kid, baseline J, too strong, rebound, put back by Gideon. Good for 2 by Uncle Gideon. Mizi, step back 3, too strong, rebound by Wang, pass break to Kenny. Kenny side stepping. Basket counted. There's a window. Committed by number 25, Mr. Hadi.
Sub. Hadi first.
Hadi, first personal foul.
Second team foul.
Bonus free throw by Mr. Kenny.
Masyadong malayo pag hindi doon po.
At least maganda.
Completed 3-point play by Mr. Kenny. Score 25-14, 11-point lead by defenders. Remaining time 1 minute 35 seconds in the first half. Mizi driving. Mizi again. Good for 2. A man with a mission by Mr. Mizi, the captain. Wang setting the tone. Wang looking for a pick. Pass to Kid. Driving. Good for 2 by Kid. Mizi. Last 1 minute in the second quarter. Andwin, pass to Calvin. Calvin for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Liang. Still by Mizi.
50 seconds.
Mizi, 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Mizi kick to Andwin. 5 seconds to shoot. Andwin, good for 2 by Andwin.
35.
35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Last 15.
15. 15 still early. Reba by Liang. 5 seconds. 1, 3 point. What a shot. Obey the buzzer. Score 30-18. 12-point lead by Team Defenders. Sa ano mo na lang stopwatch yung fourth quarter?
Oh.
Mama, ano mo tayo? Aga pa naman. Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Pero bilhin ko na lang kaya yung ano ni Pueto, speaker. Hindi tamang hiram.
Craig Jamel! Craig Jamel, hindi nakapasok. Sa aray ko. Rizaldi De La Rosa, JC Paldagay. Bombonski Africano, shout out to all of you. Start of the second half. Comets ball. Bad. Pass to Mizi. Mizi. Pass to Hadi. Hadi is still by. Oops. Jaden. Using the board. Good ball by Jaden. Jaden Smith. Next game. MKE versus Jokic Carter. Wang. Pass to Darren. Back to Wang. Wang. Sending the pick. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Darren. Darren fake. Steal by, press by Kenny. 5 seconds to shoot. Kenny running shot. Good work. What a shot by Mr. Kenny. Mizi looking for a pick. Pass to Bad. Back to Jaden. Jaden fake. Jaden fire. Short. Whoop. Last touch by Kenny. Shout out to our 80 viewers. Watch out, watch out. Kelvin, pass to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pag lumayo, ganun mo kaya. Nung makita ko rin.
5.
Tumama. Tumama.
Still by Kenny. Pass to Kit. 2-on-2 situation. Kit, layup, shoot, block by Jaden. Rebound again by Kit. Still by Kenny. Kenny, spin. Kenny, pass to Darren. Block by Bud. Rebound by Bud. Pass to Mizi. Mizi. Pass to Jaden. Kick to Calvin. Calvin. Back to Jaden. Pass to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot. Mizi bump. Using the board again. Good for two by Mizi. Kit. Kit losing the ball. Still by Jaden. Pass to Hadi. Back to Jaden. Acknowledge timeout, team defenders. Calvin short. Rima Liang. Weng bantu sila. Mark Anthony Gao, Sir Yako. Kilio, shout out to you, all of you. Kenny. Kenny. Pass to Wang. Wang. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Good, good, good. Mizi for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Kit. Pass to Kenny. Pass to Wang. Wang. Pass to Kenny. Kenny for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Bad. Pass to Jaden. Jaden driving. Jaden using the board. Basket counted. And one play. Basket count. Foul number 499. Yeah. Timeout, team defenders. Our score 32-24. 8-point lead by defenders.
Liang.
Shout out Gao, shout out sa'yo Mark Angelo, Sir Yakilio, Weng Batosila, Orlando Hoy Hoy Hoy, Nelsai, shout out to all of you. Back to the ball game. Bonus free throw by Jaden. Too strong, rebound by Mike. Pass to Darren. Big Bulabos, Dean Sky. Shout out to both of you. Wang. Pass to Marcos. Back to Mike. Back to Marcos. Back to Mike. Mike, baseline J. Short, rebound by Marcos. Marcos, still by. Whoop. Still by Andrin. Andrin. Pass to Calvin. Pass to Jaden. Jaden lefty. No good. Rebound by Marcos. Lea Soriano. Shout out to you, Madam. Wang. Wang. Pass to Darren. Darren for three. Too strong. Rebound by Hadi. Hadi in a hurry. Hadi looking, waiting for his teammate. Pass to Andrin. Back to Jaden. Jaden losing the ball. Still recover. Pass to Hadi. Hadi driving. Short. Rebound by Jen Howe. Pass to Marcos. Marcos setting the tone. Pass to Darren. Up. Traveling. Again. Sub, rep, sub, sub. Sub, sub, sub. Jaden out. Hadi out. Mizzy. Sui still scoreless in that third quarter. Many times, last 5 minutes in the third period. But back to Mizzy, give and go. Back to Terry. Terry using the board. What a play by the three Comets players.
Number 3.
Unselfish basketball. Marcos, pass to Darren. Pass to Kwang, losing the ball. Intercept by Mizzy, pass to Andrin. Andrin, pass break. Andrin, foul. Committed by number 27, Mr. Marcos.
Second, Marcos.
Second personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. The defenders. Shooting two by Mr. Andrin. First free throw, no good.
Naku, minalas pa.
Second throw. Sub, red, sub. Darren out, Kenny in.
Konti na lang, 5 na lang.
Score 32-27. Defenders still scoreless. Marcos pass to Mike. Back to Marcos. Marcos. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Wang. Wang for three. No good. Rebound by Terry. Still by Kenny. Kenny for three. Too strong. Rebound by Bad. Pass to Mizzy. Mizzy pass to Calvin. Pass to Andrin. Andrin bomb. Andrin. Basket counted. And one play. Who's foul up? Basket count foul number
8. Mike.
8.
Mike.
Mike. Sub rep, sub.
First personal foul, third team foul. One out.
Kwang out. Eh? Kwang. Sub rep. Bad out. Jaden in. Kwang out. Jack in.
Third team foul na ha. First personal foul.
Bonus free throw. No good rebound by Jen Howe. Remaining time 2 minutes 40 seconds. Mike, baseline J. Good for two by Mike. Jaden. Pass to Mizzy. Mizzy looking for a pick. Mizzy. Reaching foul. Committed by number 0, Mr. Kenny.
Kenny second.
Kenny, second personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
The Thunder.
Mizzy pass to Terry. Terry kick to Andrin. Andrin for three.
Maling.
Short rebound by Jen. Pass to Marcos. Sharon Zulkifli, shout out to you, brother. Jack. Pass to Kenny.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
5.
5. Marcos for three. Short rebound by Andrin. Andrin pass to Mizzy. Mizzy sidestepping. Mizzy. Hey! What a shot. Good for two by Mizzy. Score 34-31. 3-point lead by defenders. Mike. Blocked by Jaden. Whoop. Sub. Gijon in. Jen out.
1 minute, 2.
Time remaining 1 minute. Marcos.
30 na.
Way! Kenny recovers the ball. Marcos for three. Short rebound by Andrin. Pass to Calvin. Foul. Whoop. Foul number 27. Marcos pushing foul. Penalty.
Marcos third.
Marcos third personal foul. Two free throws by Calvin. First free throw is good. Second throw. 2 for 2 by Calvin. Time remaining 48 seconds. In the third quarter, score 34-33. 1 point lead by defenders. Gijon. Still by Jaden. Pass to Mizzy. Pass break to Andrin. Change favor. 35-34. Remaining time 28 seconds. Kenny. Pass to Gijon. Cross-court pass to Marcos.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
Last 10
Still by
seconds.
Mizzy. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul number 8. Second personal foul by Mike. 2 free throws by Calvin. Time remaining 6 seconds. 6. First free throw by Calvin is good. Second throw. 2 for 2 by Calvin. Marcos. 5. Of the third quarter, score 37-34. 3-point lead by Comets. What a recovery from Team Comets.
Jupiter.
Almoide. Junel Castillo. Shout out sa inyo mga boss. Okay. Fourth and final quarter. 37-34. 3-point lead by Comets. Winner go to the finals of the Season 10 Open category. Loser will play battle for third on Thursday. Marcos, pass to Kenny. Back to Marcos. Pass to Liang. Liang, guarded by Jaden. Liang, still by Miji. Miji all alone. Miji, layup. Good for two by Miji. Kenny, pass to Huang. Pass to Marcos, guarded by Andrin. Pass to Huang. Pass to Kenny. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Liang. Foul. Usmara foul number 0, Andrin. 2 shots by Liang. Andrin, first personal foul. First team foul. Team Comets. 2 free throws by Liang. First free throw is good. Second throw. 2 for 2 by Liang. Jaden setting away pass to Bad. Super layup. Too strong. Rebound over by Bad. 10 seconds to shoot. Andre, rebound, no good. Rebound by Hadi, wanna hustle play. Miji, guarded by Marcos. Pass to Hadi, jumper. In and out, rebound by Marcos. Pass to Huang. Pass to Kenny. Pass to Liang. Pass to Kid, still by Miji. Recover by Jaden, pass to Miji again, pass to Hadi. Pass to Miji. Miji behind the back. Stepping.
Umabay lang. Ano yung oras? Shot na ko yun.
Bad. Pass to Andrin. What a pass by Andrin to Hadi. What a nice play. Huang, guarded by Andrin, pass to Marcos. Marcos for 3. Too strong, rebound by Miji, waiting for his teammate. Miji, pass to Andrin for 3. Andrin, 3 points. 44-36, 8-point lead by Team Comets. Marcos pass to Kenny, pass to Huang, driving baseline, Huang sidestepping, lefty layup, using the board, good for Dubai, Huang. Hadi, pass to Jaden, pass to Bad, pass to Andrin again, no good, whoop, blue ball, black ball, sorry. There's a plenty of time, the fourth quarter, remaining time, 7 minutes, 15 seconds. Huang guarded by Bad. Huang, pass to Kid, good for two by Kid.
4-point lead.
Miji, score 44-40. Pass to Andrin. Cross-court pass to Hadi. Strong pass. Recover by Hadi. Same ball. Stop. Liang out. Shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot.
Ang pamunas dan, Mike. Ayun.
Ayun na yung dilaw.
Puti lang.
Nasaan yung bola na isa?
Nandun sa bahay.
Hindi mo dinadala. Hindi mo dinadala.
7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Bad.
5.
5. Basket. Kelvin Moore, 3 points. Marcos, why miscommunication? It's a turnover. Timeout. Team defenders. Score 47-40. 7-point lead by Comets. Remaining time 6 minutes, 27 seconds. Winner goes to finals, and the loser will play on Thursday for battle for third.
Para mapapahingin. Wala si Zang, wala si Kasing. Nasaan ang laban? Si Zang.
Oh, si siya.
Si Kasing wala naman din.
Back to the ball game. Charles Garcia. Shout out to Charles Garcia. Mizi still by, still by Kit. Kit. Pass to Mike, still by Hadi. Hadi, what a hustle by Hadi. Pass to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Calvin. Calvin step back. 5. Still by Darren. Darren, good for two by Darren. Yup. Bad. Pass to Mizi. Pass to Jaden. Reverse layup. Good for two by Jaden Chen. Wang score 49-42. Wang pass to Kenny. Kenny try for 3. Kenny 3 points. 49-45. 4-point lead by Comets, still by Darren. Pass to Kenny. Kenny waiting for his teammate. Kenny pass to Mike. Baseline J, good for two by Mike. It's a 2-point lead. 49-47. 2-point lead by Comets. Remaining time 4 minutes 58 seconds. In the fourth and final period. Mizi. Guarded by Kenny. Mizi up. It's a turnover. Defenders ball. Defenders.
Happy birthday for Benji.
Kit. Pass to Darren. Pass to Kenny. Driving baseline again. Kenny. Using the board. Good for two by Kenny. It's a third down all. 49. Remaining time 4 minutes 30 seconds. Mizi pass to Bad pass to Calvin. Calvin try for 3. Short. Ribabay. Whoop. Black ball. Stop.
Ilan time mo pa sila?
Ay, dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa.
Darren. Pass to Kenny. Pass to Wang. Wang looking for a post. Wang muscle his way. Blocked by Jaden. Recover by Mizi. Pass to Hadi. Layup. Foul.
11.
Foul number 11, Mr. Darren Yap. First personal foul.
Ha?
First team foul.
First team foul, defenders.
Isipin pa. Yeah.
2 free throws by Hadi. Time remaining 4 minutes in the final quarter. First free throw is good. Second throw. 1 out of 2 by Mr. Hadi. Pass Mike. Pass to Kenny. Kenny fake. Kenny using the board. Too strong. Put back by Kit. Good for 2. Change favor. 51-50 in favor of defenders. Mizi. Pass to Hadi. Hadi. Pass to Andrin. Andrin for 3. Andrin. 3 points. What a shot by Andrin. Jesse Carion. Shout out to Jesse Carion. Vince Charles. Shout out to both of you. Darren. Pass to Kenny. Kenny want to try for 3. Kenny. 3 points. Change favor again. 54-53. Time remaining 3 minutes, 5 seconds in the fourth quarter. Jaden. Pass to Hadi. Hadi for 3. No good. Rebound by Liang. Pass to Kit. Pass to Darren. Darren waiting for his teammate. Pass to Liang. Back to Darren. Darren using the clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Mike. Boy, what a hell by Mike. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Andre pass to Jaden. Jaden guarded by Liang. Pass to Mizi. Mizi. Foul. Foul number 99. Liang shooting foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Defenders. Remaining time 2 minutes 22 seconds. Score. First free throw by Mizi is good. Second throw. Two for 2. 56-55. 1 point lead by defenders. 2 minutes 18 seconds in the fourth quarter. Kenny. Pass to Darren. Back to Kenny. Back to Mike. Mike guarded by 2. Mike pass to Darren. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kit. Kit. Foul. Foul number 25, Hadi. Hadi, second personal foul. Second team foul. Comet. Hadi out, but in. 2 free throws by Kit. First free throw is good. Second throw. 2 for 2 by Wicket. Score 58-55. 3 point lead. Last 2 minutes. Bad pass to Mizi. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jaden. Jaden fake. Jaden using the board. No good. Rebound by Darren. 1 minute 40 seconds. Darren. Pass to Mike. Pass to Kit. Jumper. In and out. Rebound by Liang. Good for 2 by Liang. Wala put back. 1 minute 25 seconds. 60-55. Good for 2 by Mizi. 1 minute 12 seconds. 3 point lead by defenders. Kenny. Remaining time, last 1 minute in the fourth quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, jumper, no good. Rebound by Jaden. Pass to Mizi. 50 seconds. 48 seconds. 1 point lead, 60-59. 40 seconds. 35. 10 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. Liang, Nogo Ribabay Nisi. Foul. Foul committed by number 99, Liang. Time up, defenders. Jalan. Medyo basa, pasensya na, bossing. Ah. Liang, third personal foul. 13 foul. Next game, MKE Warriors versus Jokic Kraken. Another semifinals.
Sige na.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 25 seconds, 25. 1 point lead by defenders. Defenders,
Ilang timeout pa?
Sana lang.
1 timeout left. Comets, 2 timeout. Defender, 13 foul. Comets, second team foul. Score 60-59. Mizi. 20 seconds. Andre, Nogo, rebound by Mizi. Remaining time, 10 seconds. 5. 2 seconds, 2. 2 seconds. Foul number 13, hold. 13 foul.
Third personal foul. Timeout daw.
Timeout.
Ah,
Timeout.
Timeout, defenders.
Timeout.
Defenders, no timeout. Comets, 2 timeout left.
2 seconds na lang. No,
Crucial yan eh.
0.6 pa.
Oo, crucial yan.
Remaining time, 2 seconds, 2. Score 60-59. 1 point lead by defenders. Both teams, 13 foul.
Dalawang beses na.
Yeah, basta mo. Yeah.
Okay, back to the ball game. 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
Ayun. Hindi ko palala.
Uy, ano?
Kamaya?
2 seconds, 2.
Kikita ba to? Nakikita to lang?
Hindi naman galing sa shoot. Foul lang doon.
Foul lang eh.
Hindi galing sa shoot. Hindi galing sa shoot. Foul lang doon.
Wait
Easy,
lang.
easy, easy. Easy, chill, chill. Chill, chill, relax, relax. Wow, what a play. Congratulations, defenders. Defenders goes to the final and we play on Monday. Congrats, congrats.
Hindi naman napasok na galit.
Picture ko pa sila.
Oo. Oo. Kasi para ano, pang-post ka namin.
Matt, picture. Group picture, half photo.
Sayang dito, ano, dalawa yun eh.
Wala na to ha.
Sayang hindi ko
Okay, miss.
Dalawa yun dito, sayang.
Mike,
Ano yan?
ito.
Ay, sorry.
Miss tayo, miss.